I need to find an 8mm.
We got the head lifted, which is probably a mistake, but we're gonna take the rocker heads off because I can see that these rods exposed. There's a chance they can bend, so hopefully we didn't do no damage. You about to see if we take the rockers off now.
What's that 10? What's that 410? That 10 to 8mm.
I never touched that one, but I know that's the part you end up getting out your truck.
10mm, try 10.
That's where we at with it, man. It's been a fight to get this done, but it's been a learning experience for the both of us. Day 3.
Man, got my boy KG behind the camera though.
That's good.
You talking about for video purposes or for you to so you can see how I go
we
back?
know where everything is as of right now. And clean around that a little bit better. What did you say? You got some grease? See that? There you go.
I'm gonna clean that right on up. Let me know if you need some hands. You want me to take it?
Well, look, you can see somebody smacking something right there,
Most
right
definitely.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what you talking about? Oh, yeah, how that's clean.
Under the edge of the screw. It's clean there. It's clean there. And look here.
Oh, because you see oil right there?
Still no, right there, right under the head.
Yeah,
you see that black strip?
Uh-huh.
It's 2 black strips there. That shit is not on these 2. And that is right there. This is not far from that.
So I'm not lining up. Let's see what's got going on.
Your gasket. Gone. I got as hard as a brick. It's supposed to be spongy.
It don't like it's leaking though. Sure. I'll hold it like that.
You can't see all the way back. That Lucas. Intake. Let's see marks underneath the edge right there. There's writing. Excessive heat right there. You can see the heat,
dark.
the marks, the line going up the side of up the side, and right there, see, right there on the side wall, back there on the side wall. That's okay. I don't know. Like it started leaking back there. You see it? It goes all the way to the edge and then it comes out. So that gasket's bad right there. Because it came out. Whatever it is, it came out. Because it goes right across that clean spot. That clean spot should be clean all the way around. If it ain't clean, fluid came out. And that's, you know, it's not supposed to come out.
Valve cover gasket.
Yeah, that's the valve cover gasket.
I can call right now and see who got one. I was trying to do by color, I couldn't tell, but
you can't. No, I just can't move out there on the rods here. Can't. So these are your lifter guys. If you look at it, that one's compressed. Oh shit, look at that. Look at it real close, right? If you look at them, you see the dark ring at the top here? See how that's dark? Clean. Dark. Dark. Clean. Dark. Clean. Yeah, it's not too bad. Clean. That's gonna tell you something.
And I don't even think his was bad like that as far as like that, because he ended up taking.
Yeah, okay. Oh, shit's acting like this.
Spraying up in there, but
the pin,
yeah,
under the pin is
I thought he had skipped a step or something in his video because he.
Like the other one. You see that one right there?
That's the one.
That's the stutter.
And that's 4. That's the one he said was bad.
Oh, it stopped. It just stopped.
Yep. That's it.
Shut it down. Shut it down.
Looking at the new and the old and trying to find what failed in the old lifter. And I did this quick little, this is what I found. On the bad lifter, I can compress.
That hole right there is what he's spraying in.
Compress the spring and
that hole up there.
That up top. No, down one.
No,
that right there. No, down. Right there.
Trying to show you what I'm talking
What's
about.
in that hole?
That's where the push rod.
That's
oh
the
no,
bolt.
that's the rod. Oh, the rod right there.
Yeah.
I think he sprayed in both that shit though. I don't know.
He probably
that's the
can.
bolt hole. Yeah, that's the bolt hole.
that's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
bolt hole.
That's what it is. Yeah. A little play in it.
That's about it.
2 days later.
Alright, check this one. Was no bad lifters. This side got 1. So it's about to go down. Alright, y'all. It's been 2 days out here in this garage, sweating, getting it to it. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, even having other things going on. So I've been having to deal with them whenever I can get with them. But y'all can see we got it exposed. We actually found a hack that we don't have to pull the whole intake all the way completely off of the car. We leaving this side attached. We got it bungeed up off the ceiling or off the roof of the hood. But y'all see we got the lifters over here exposed. We just got the exhaust taken apart. We just took all the bolts out. So we basically gotta get in there and get this lifter out. That's the next trick. He needed to take a break, so I said, it's cool, man. You know what I'm saying? Just chill for a second. Hopefully he'll be right back and we can get right back on the job in about a half hour or so. I took a vacuum and I was sucking out all the debris out of here that I could. But we actually just plugged up this air compressor here. But we're gonna actually blow out as much dirt as we can before we mounted all that stuff back together. So that's what we got going on right here. It's been a process, I'm not gonna lie. We got all the coils pulled out. You know, everything got its place. These are the gaskets that came out of the exhaust. Exhaust manifold. Yeah, these the bolts. So it's been a process, y'all. It ain't been easy. I can see I'm getting my hands dirty a little too. And it's hot, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. You know, I talk about this Texas heat all the time, so that's where we at with it, man. It's been a fight to get this done, but it's been a learning experience for the both of us. And hopefully it's all over with soon. We already in here. It makes sense to actually replace all 4 lifters on this side because we already in here, but we're gonna see exactly what's in stock. I know the bad one that we have is on cylinder 4. I believe cylinder 4 is a DOD lifter, but we gotta pull it out so I can see for sure. And then I'm gonna call around town to see if we can find it. If they do got one, we're gonna replace it. If we are able to do all of these, you feel me, without putting another day or 2 on to our install, then that's what we'll do. But we're gonna find out when you come back after this break. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted and let y'all know what's going on. We bought a lot of stuff though. We got all this stuff here. That's to deal with that job. I got all this stuff here because, you know, I heard a lot of good stuff about Marvel Mystery Oil. This is something that people add to their gas and to their oil in their vehicles. But it said it works wonders, man. So did a lot of research on this. Actually got this, and I'm about to put that in there. Got a synthetic engine flush. You feel me? Clean the engine out, make that all nice and neat. So we got that brand, STP, full synthetic. We got high mileage. We're going full synthetic as well on the oil change. So we got an oil change. We got the oil there. We also got a Lucas oil stabilizer, heavy duty. So I don't know if I'll be using this. I don't know if I'm gonna mix the 2 of these. I might actually use the Marvel, maybe in the gas, or I don't know, or keep one of these for later on. I'm not really sure, but we bought it just in case. But I got a Lucas here. This is what I'm more familiar with. Stethoscope we bought. This was actually to help us diagnose where the noise was coming from. We needed some antifreeze, which is still low, so we got antifreeze to get that going on, because you can look clear as day. I'm a little low, so got some of that. Plenty brake cleaner. We've been using that to clean up all the parts. This can right here is empty, but we've been using plenty of this. We got more cans over there. We got automatic transmission fluid, because we checked the transmission fluid and it wasn't completely red. So we actually gonna do a transmission flush as well and get us some new transmission fluid put in here. You know what I'm saying? We getting this truck together. We got this is our oil filter. Yep, this is our oil filter. We got to go and still get a transmission pan. They didn't have one in stock when we went to the store, or maybe we was moving too fast and forgot it. But I looked it up online and it's a lot cheaper if I order it, probably half the cost. But, you know, I want to get the job done. So if we can get it done today, I'm going to get it. We also got some B12 Chem Tool, which is actually a carburetor choke throttle body cleaner. Watched a lot of videos on this. I normally just use different brands of brake cleaner, but this one right here is one that I seen in a few videos. I like what I saw, so I had to add it to the arsenal. And that's where we at with it, man. So it's been a lot going on. Like I said, we got another cleaner right here. These right here, we cleaned these up pretty much yesterday. And man, yeah, there we have it. I'm actually probably gonna get spark plugs and wires. I know plugs for sure. I'm gonna get plugs. We'll go back to the store, just one thing at a time, man. We've been kind of overwhelmed with just this one particular lifter job. We tried a lot of different things and none of it seemed to have worked so far. So we're trying to replace it right now, but and it ain't been easy, man. So I'm just letting y'all know, if y'all try this, and those videos on YouTube make you feel like you could do it, I ain't gonna say that you can't do it. It just probably won't be as easy. But just stay focused, y'all gonna be able to get it done. And they got these brushes here to help clean out all of that stuff, so yeah. All right, y'all, I see the sun going down a little bit, but yeah, he just called me, said he on his way back. He stopped and grabbed a couple parts. I was gonna have him grab the spark plugs for the truck, but he said it was like $11 a piece going back stock. I said, before we do that and make sure that we let's make sure that we just handle one issue at a time first, and it didn't make sense just to buy one spark plug because we did have one bad cylinder. Let's deal with the lifter first. We still have a little bit of daylight, so we should be able to get to the auto parts store today, or we might be able to get online and find what we need a little bit cheaper if we get it ordered. But he should be pulling up right now with the stuff he needs to finish the job, and hopefully we can get it done in a hot second though. So we'll wait on him. There he is, pulling up now, man. 2 hours later.
Okay. Let's see how to pull back a little bit more.
3 days later.
My hands too finished, so I can't text. Too finished.
Day 3.
That's why.
So we can take the rockers out so we can pull the
I need to
pins.
find an 8mm.
We got the head lifted, which is probably a mistake, but we're going to take the rocker heads off because I can see that these rods exposed. There's a chance they can bend, so hopefully we didn't do no damage. You about to see if we take the rockers off now.
What's that 10? What's that 410? That 10, that 8mm.
I never touched that one, but I know it's the part you end up getting out your truck.
10mm, try 10.
All right, y'all. Finally got the head out. Got the lifters out. So that one right there is collapsed. I believe it's that one. I'm gonna check them all and see what's going on, man. But yeah.
Man, got my boy KG behind the camera though.
That's what I be trying to tell y'all, man. Like, hey, man, can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen, you hear me? Can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the AC, man. But outside of that, though, man, subscribe to the channel. Invite me, man, my second YouTube channel, you feel me? I'm over here waiting on y'all to get there. Tap in. I actually got 2 YouTube channels, so there's 2 different QR codes on each side of the truck. Just check them out.
All right, I got you.
Yep, I do daily vlogs almost every day. Oh, did you take a picture or scan it?
I took a picture of it.
Oh, you had to scan if you take the picture?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It reached?
Yeah, can you go hard?
KG Go Hard, that's me, bro.
Yeah, I just subscribed.
I appreciate you, man.
All right, no problem.
Yep.
Today's video is brought to you guys by KG Go Hard, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put it on there right there. You know what I'm saying? Let that thing clear in. Yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe, like, hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? Go hit him on his last video and tell him, you know what I'm saying, Real to Real sent you. You know what I'm saying? And we are here, you know what I'm saying, for some big support. But yeah, make sure y'all do that, man. All the links are in the description below to the channel. So make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel. know what I'm saying? He just getting started. He won Mr. 75 Caprice giveaway, and he started a YouTube channel after doing it. That's why I told you guys, you guys can start your YouTube channel after you win these vehicles, because it'll help you grow by saying that you own this person's vehicle, you know what I'm saying? And it'll help you out in the long run. So, yeah, make sure you guys get y'all tickets for Big Boy Ram Truck. And make sure y'all give him a subscribe. His link is in the description. And, yeah, man, let's get back into the video. Peace.
Alright guys, y'all know this video is sponsored to you by my boy Kevin Jones, man, aka Kaji Go Hard. He won the Tahoe, the two-door Tahoe on 30s from Mr. 75 Caprice. So he's out there living, man. He's lit. Excuse me. I'm gonna give y'all his you know, after this you're gonna see the links of his YouTube, his Facebook, and his Instagram, and then in the description is where y'all gonna see the links to just go easily access to go subscribe, like, and follow him on all 3 platforms that he's got going on. His YouTube reminds me a lot of myself. Like, I really like him, guys. So if y'all rock with me, go rock with him. He really showing like how to show love. He's out there, he's putting the camera in people's faces. He's energetic, he's ready to go, he wants it. You know, I think he needs it. You know what I'm saying? I needed it. That's why I act how I act. I need it. You feel me? So I hope the best for him, man. And this video is sponsored to you by Kaiji Go Hard. So go give him a chance, guys. Like I said, he won the giveaway by Mr. 75 Caprice. He came in first place and got the truck. So big shout out to him. And don't leave the video, guys. If y'all at the end of the video, thank you for watching the whole thing. If y'all at the middle, keep watching, guys. I'll see y'all in a bit.
Got it.
Alright, gang, man. This video is brought to you by KG Go Hard. I need y'all to go mess with him, man. His real name's Kevin Jones. He won that car off of 75 Caprice, Mr. 75 Caprice. Please go show him some love, gang. He heavily invested into this. And just the real ones, I just need y'all to go over there and show him, you know, that y'all seen this and that y'all support him. At least go comment 32 gang. Go run his subscribers up, run his following up, run his Facebook up. You know, I'm doing my best for him, gang. I did a 2nd video in a row for him. So it's because he actually reminds me of myself, guys. He does everything really, really good. He works super hard every single day on YouTube, guys. So if y'all have love for me, I need y'all to go show love to KG Go Hard. The links will be in the description of this video. Y'all can leave right now and go subscribe and follow him. That's how much I want him to succeed, guys. Also, make sure that y'all come back and enjoy the rest of the video. Some crazy shit happened, man, when CJ and my mom seen each other. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And also, if you're at the end of the video, man, thank you for watching the whole video. You were awesome. And, you know, let's just keep going from there, guys. And like I said, please go to the links in my description to subscribe, follow, and add friend on Facebook to my guy, KG Go Hard, aka Kevin Jones. Big shout out to Kevin Jones, man. I see you, bro. I'm doing my best for you. Hopefully people go over there and message you. See you guys in a bit.